Yeah, 2026, January. Out here, Temple University, you see, the Shriners building. Yeah, this broad in Tioga. Traffic is slow. Your boy is out here doing what he can do. The big time Marty Winter show. I'm out here. Adios, bitches! Woohoo! I gotta go get my wife some gas. Taking it easy. I don't own the rights to this music, so y'all hear that throwback on. I do not own the rights to this music. I'm just saying, it's just the big time Marty Winter show. Free advertisement of the city of Philadelphia. Yeah, everything closed. What's up, gang? I'm out here. Y'all little winter rundown around Temple University. Poppy stores is closed. Delis is closed. How this deli not closed? They gonna get their money. They gonna get their money. Slow down. Check out the intersection. Yeah, man. It's really snowy out here, baby. It's really snowy out here. I gotta get me some gas. I gotta get some milk, carnation milk, some butter. Hey, Meta, stop recording.